Welcome to the Patent Monetize marketplace. This is a global platform to license and sell your patent. In this quick guide, I will show you how to create your account on Patent Monetize. Fast, simple, and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit www.patentmonetize.com. On the top right corner, click the Become a Seller button to begin your account creation. Now, you will see a simple registration form. Just fill your details step by step and make sure everything is correct before moving to the next step. Just go ahead and click the Create Account. You are almost done. Next, check your email inbox and you will receive verification emails from Patent Monetize. Click Verified Email link to complete your registration. And that's it, your account is now officially active. And your Patent Monetize account is now ready. Now you can just move to the switch to the seller as well to list your patent, to connect with buyers and exploring monetize opportunity immediately. Thank you for watching this.